So the next model is, what is model 2? Integral of Px plus Q by, so either it is x minus a1, one factor is repeated, y x minus a1 whole square into x minus a2. If we have this form, here the one factor is repeated. First we take that a by x minus a1 plus b by x minus a1 whole square plus c by x minus a2. So anything you can write. We find that ABC. Find ABC. Here the question is integral of 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2 into dx. First, it can be written in the partial fraction form, x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Here x plus 1 whole square, that means this term is repeated twice. It can be written as a by x plus 1 first plus b by x plus 1 whole square. And this term is not repeated, so just to written as a c by x minus 2, taken as number equation number 1. So find ABC. Same. Here what is an LCM? The LCM is x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2. So first it can be written as a into, we have only one x plus 1 is involved, but here we have x plus 1 whole square. One x plus 1 is involved here, x plus 1 and x minus 2. B into x plus 1 whole square and x plus 1 whole square will be cancelled and we get that x minus 2. Plus C into x minus 2 is cancelled. We get that C into x plus 1 whole square. And this is nothing but a 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, x minus 2 is cancelled. And we get that three x plus 2 3x plus 2 is equal to a into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 whole square, taken as equation number 2. So first we take that x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, if x plus 1 is equal to 0, from that x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 into, that is we get that 3 into minus 1 plus 2. We get that a into minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. B into minus 1 minus 2 plus c into minus 1 plus 1 whole square. That is minus 1 plus 1, this term becomes 2, this term becomes 2, 0. This is nothing but a minus 3 plus 2. So this is nothing but a 0 minus 3b plus 0. So we get that minus 1 equal to minus 3b. From that b is equal to 1 by 3. From that b is equal to 1 by 3. And next, substitute that if x minus 2 equal to 0. If x minus 2 equal to 0, from that x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation number 2, we get that 3 into 2 plus 2. So we get a into 2, this is 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2, b into 2 minus 2 plus c into 2 plus 1 whole square. This is term becomes to 2 minus 2 0 and 2 minus 2 0. This is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. 8 equal to 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 3. 3 square is nothing but 9c. So from that 9c is equal to 8. That is c equal to 8 by 9. C equal to 8 by 9. Okay. And next, we need to find the value of a. Find a. So how can we find this value? Just we compare that coefficient of x square. Compare coefficient of x square into. So here in LHS we can identify, if we are identify that, is there any coefficient of x square? No. That is 0 is equal to. This is nothing but x into x square. That means here the coefficient of x square, that is we get that a into x square. Plus here it is nothing but c x square, a plus b whole square. This is nothing but c into x square. That is nothing but here what is the coefficient? Coefficient is equal to 1. That is nothing but a plus c is equal to 0. From that we need c, a is equal to minus c. Therefore a is equal to minus 8 by 9. Substitute a, b, c in 1. So therefore what is the 1 here? That is what is the value of 1? That is 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2. A value, the a value is equal to minus 8 by 9 by x plus 1 plus b value is nothing but a 1 by 3 by x plus 1 whole square plus c value is nothing but 8 by 9 by x minus 2. So, and we do that integrate. We do that integrate we get that integration of 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2 dx, and this is nothing but integration of minus 8 by 9 into 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 8 by 9 into 1 by x minus 2 into dx. So therefore we take that minus 8 by 9 integral of 1 by x plus 1 into dx plus 1 by 3 integral of 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx plus 8 by 9 integral of 1 by x minus 2 into dx. We know the basic formulas, that is integration of 1 by x into dx, that is nothing but a log x. And next integration of 1 by x square into dx is nothing but a minus 1 by x. Okay, so therefore it can be written as a minus 8 by 9 into log of x plus 1 plus 1 by 3 into integration of this is nothing but a minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 8 by 9 into log of x minus 2. So finally we get that minus 8 by 9 log of x plus 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 plus 8 by 9 into log of x minus 2. After that integration we can add c, that is 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2 into dx. So for summary, here what is the model? The model is 2, that is px plus q by x minus a1 whole square and x minus a2. Here one factor is repeated. If one factor is repeated, it can be written twice. First a by, here x minus a1 whole square, this factor is repeated, a by x minus 1 plus b by repeated value x minus a1 whole square plus c by x minus a2. So for this problem, integral of 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2 into dx. X plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 is repeated twice. So for that, a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. Here what is the LCM? The LCM is x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2. This is the highest term. In this x plus 1 whole square we have one x plus 1 term is there. So just to written as, do the simplification, a into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 whole square. The denominators are cancelled, and next we get that 3x plus 2 equal to a into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 whole square. This part x plus 1 equal to 0, from that x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 into, we get the b value is equal to 1 by 3. And next substitute x minus 2 equal to 0, we get that x is equal to 2. That is, substitute x is equal to 2 into, we get the c value is equal to 8 by 9. And we need to find the a value. We do not have any simplification here. For that we take the coefficient of x square, compare the coefficient of x square into, here in LHS side we do not have any coefficient of x square, so that's why we written as 0 here, is equal to, here coefficient of x square is involved, that is x into x square. That means the x into x is nothing but x square, the coefficient is 1 here. And similarly here there is no term for x square, plus here we apply that a plus b, expand that a plus b whole square, that is a plus, in this we get that x square term. So from that a plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to minus c. So we get the a is equal to minus 8 by 9. Substitute a, b, c in 1, and we do that integrate, and here we have the basic formulas, integration of 1 by x into dx, nothing but a log x, and integration of 1 by x square, this is nothing but a minus 1 by x, or if we simplify this, x power of minus 2, nothing but x power of n form, that is x power of n is nothing but x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 form. In the same way we can find that, or we can use this formula 1 by x square, integration of 1 by x square into dx, that is nothing but minus 1 by x. So finally we get that minus 8 by 9 into log of x plus 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 plus 8 by 9 into log of x minus